Hello everyone, welcome to Charita Diaries. Today I am back with another new video. Today's video is very special and unique. Before seeing today's video, please subscribe my channel if you haven't subscribed and like the video. If you like it, please do share it to your friends and relatives and do not forget to comment about the video in the comment section. Let's move on with the topic. Today's topic is famous curses of Mahabharata. So in this video we'll learn about the meaning of the curse and what did gods and goddesses tell about a curse and the famous curses, that is 11 famous curses of Mahabharata. First, what is curse? A cause of serious harm or unhappiness is known as curse. For example, if someone brings a sadness, of course no one will bring purposefully. If they bring, we will be so sad that we'll speak something in that sadness, and that may become true because they have tested our patience and have brought this sadness. So the cause of serious harm, some harm for us or unhappiness, is known as curse. Now, Lord Krishna once mentioned that curses are the words spoken from the soul. Lord Krishna, that is Vasudeva Krishna, mentioned that the curses are the words spoken from our heart, from our soul. So this is about the meaning of the curse. First curse, that was from the Mahabharata. Let's move on to it. First curse and a known curse, that is Pandu cursed by sage Kindama. It happened that once Pandu was on hunting trip into the woods, that is the forest. He happened to spot a pair of deer and shot at one of those animals. While approaching his kill, he heard an agonizing cry of a man. So Pandu was astonished to see that the deer was actually a man. The man was none other than Sage Kindama. Pandu repented, but the damage was already gone. Sage was already angry on Pandu. Thus he curses Pandu that, like me, even you will die a painful death when you approach a woman with carnal desires in your mind. Yeah, this curse already had become true because when Pandu approached Madri with carnal desires, he fell into the death. So this was the cause for Pandu's death, and this curse was also true because it was spoken from the soul, as told by Lord Krishna. The second curse and less known curse is Gatotkacha, cursed by Draupadi. This is a very less known curse, but some of the people who love mythology know this. Now, the Polanderous queen of the Pandavas was known for her short-temperedness. Draupadi was commonly known for her short-temperedness. She agreed to marry all the Pandavas on one condition, that none of her husbands must bring their personal wives to the kingdom. So Draupadi took a promise from the Pandavas that your other wives should not come here because I should be the queen as I'm marrying the 5 Pandavas. So this desire was fulfilled. So Hidimba, Bhima's wife, was very angry on Draupadi for this purpose, and she sent Gatotkacha saying that Draupadi is bad, about Draupadi badly. So when Gatotkacha came to Indraprastha one day, that is a place where Pandavas lived, to see his father he came. So there he paid respect to each and every one, including soldiers and maids also, but except Draupadi. For everyone he paid respect except Draupadi. Seeing this, she cursed him that, as she was famous for her short-temperedness, she lost her patience and she cursed him that you will have a short life. She cursed, you will have a short life, and that also came true as Karna killed Gatotkacha at a small age itself. Next curse and a known curse also. Karna cursed by Parashurama. After Dronacharya rejected Karna to be as his disciple, he went to Parashurama introducing himself as Brahmana. As Parashurama trained only Brahmana boys, one day when Parashurama was tired and orated the desires, Karna offered his lap for his guru. So Parashurama slept on his lap. At that time, a scorpion came and bit Karna's thigh, causing him immense pain. The scorpion went back and it made Karna's thigh a pond of blood. And with this wetness, Parshurama woke up and he thought that he knew that he is a Kshatriya and only Kshatriya can bear that pain. So he knew that he got to know about it and he cursed Karna that all the knowledge you acquired using false identity will be forgotten when you need them the most. So this curse also came true when Karna was in the battlefield with Arjuna. He didn't remember the mantra taught by his guru to kill Arjuna. So this, as it is a word spoken from the heart, it came true. The fourth one, which is also an unknown curse, that is Karna cursed by a cow owner. Once Karna was practicing his archery skill and he accidentally hit a cow. The poor animal wriggled in pain, so the owner of the cow, a Brahmin, came running to the spot and saw his cow. As the cow was already dead, the cow owner loved the cow so much, so he cursed Karna for killing it like my cow, you will also die a helpless death in the most decisive battle of your life. So this curse also came true as Karna had a helpless death in his life in the battle of Kurukshetra. The fifth one is also a known curse. Yudhishthira cursing the womankind. Yes, Yudhishthira curses the womankind, that is all the women. After Karna's death, Kunti, his legal mother, came there and cried for him. She told her remaining sons that Karna was his first son and their elder brother. This truth hurt Yudhishthira very badly, so he cursed the womankind that no woman would be able to keep secret. Yeah, this is of course true in every girl or woman's life. We cannot keep any secret, it is a very rare case. So, this curse is also true. The next one is also a less known curse, that is curse of Shantanu. Curse Lord Brahma curses on Shantanu and Ganga. Who is Shantanu first of all? He is the father of Bhishma, that is Devavrata, and Ganga is his wife. So the real story behind this was once this Shantanu and Ganga in their last birth they went to Indraloka and there they had a yagna. At that time a large breeze blew and the upper garment of Ganga blew off. At that time everyone dropped their eyes down except this Shantanu. So at that time Brahma cursed him. So Shantanu and Ganga were celestial beings who had also been cursed. Shantanu was King Mahabhisheka and Ganga were cursed by the indecencies in their past lives, as I told the story. So Brahma cursed them to be born on earth as human beings. That is, you both will take birth on earth as human beings, and that was true as they took birth as Shantanu and Ganga itself. And a very, very, very well known curse, that is Ashwatthama cursed by Lord Krishna. As Duryodhan asked Ashwatthama to bring the blood of Pandavas or else he would not die, Ashwatthama went there and he thought Upa-Pandavas who were sleeping as Pandavas and killed them and took their blood, and seeing that Duryodhana had died and Ashwatthama took him to the burial ground to burn him. By the death of Upa-Pandavas, Pandavas got anger and went to kill Ashwatthama, but there by mistake Bhima relieved that there was a baby growing in Uttara's stomach. Hearing that, Ashwatthama left Brahmastra to Uttara's stomach, which would destroy the baby. This angered Lord Krishna. Angry Krishna came there and took off his money, which would give him long life. And by Sudarshana Chakra, he took off the money and then he cursed him that you will live your life till the Kali Yuga ends, but you will always suffer with wounds and your whole body will be bleeding. No one can cure it and you will also not die. Friends, I already told where was Ashwatthama and some stories about Ashwatthama living in Kali Yuga. If you haven't seen that video, the link of that video is given in the description box. You can see it. It is explained still detailedly about Ashwatthama. Let's move on to the next curse. That is Duryodhana cursed by sage Maitreyi. It is a very less known curse. So, Maitreyi was a sage who was a sacred sage, and once he came to Duryodhana asking something. He did not give that, and sage Maitreyi cursed him that. You will have your death only when Bhima's mace hits your thigh. And this also came true. And yes, Bhima's thigh touched or hit the thigh of Bhima's mace hit the thigh of Duryodhana, and by that Duryodhana had his death. The next one is Gandhari cursing Draupadi. It is also a less known curse. As all her 100 sons were dead in the Kurukshetra war, Gandhari was very sad about that. At that time, she cursed Draupadi who came there like me, you will also experience the sadness of losing your sons in life. Yeah, this curse was absolutely true as Ashwatthama killed the Upapandavas. So, as the mother spoke true words from her soul and heart, it became true and hurt another mother, that is Draupadi. The next 10th curse is Gandhari cursing Lord Krishna and Yaduvamsh. This curse is a known curse. After every Kaurava were died in the war, Gandhari came to Lord Krishna and cursed like like our Kuruvamsh, your Yaduvamsh will also destroy, and you will die by being touched by a sacred grass, that is Darbhe. Yeah, this curse was also became true as Yaduvamsh went under a sea, and Krishna was died by being touched by a sacred grass, that is Darbhe. The last but not the least curse, Draupadi cursing the Kuruvamsh. This is also a very less known curse. Yeah, Draupadi was humiliated very, very, very badly in the Kurukshetra Sabha, and everyone in the court was seeing as if something like fashion show is happening. So Draupadi prayed for Lord Krishna to save her, and that became true. She was saved by Lord Krishna. As she saw everyone being silent, she got anger on them and cursed that all those who have watched this adharma did not stop it will get destroyed. Yes, this curse was absolutely true. Yes, you can see Drona Bhishmacharya, who had no death and had Icha Marana, also got defeated in the battle of Kurukshetra, and Dronacharya was killed by Drishtadyumna, and Karna was also killed by Arjuna for humiliating them, that is Draupadi and Pandavas. And Shakuni, we all know Shakuni was also died. Duryodhana had a very bad death, and Dushyasana a very, very, very bad death. He also got humiliated as Draupadi, and Bhima killed him as it is. Ashwatthama got a curse, and he hasn't been died till now. I already told that Ashwatthama's video is given in the description box. Please see it if you haven't watched it. And this ends our today's video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, share and comment if you haven't done all this. Thank you.